What's the meaning of alarmist? Alarmist. 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 Alarmist.
Alarmist refers to someone who frequently expresses exaggerated or unfounded concerns about potential dangers or threats. It implies that this person tends to overreact to situations and may cause unnecessary panic or anxiety. The term is often used to criticize individuals or groups who spread fear or misinformation without valid evidence. Being alarmist can create unnecessary stress and disrupt rational decision-making, leading to negative consequences. Therefore, it's important to assess risks objectively and communicate them accurately to avoid causing unnecessary alarm.